me go to lesson number 7. Trenem Tingting Module 3, lesson 7. Write them all question blow Bible. Lesson 6, and me talk about fasten blow write them question. Write them good for question where answer blow hem it come out blow story and me focus all information where hem important blow pulum ting blow man it go lo last ting. You may use one story nothing one make up story lo lesson 6 but now you may come lo Bible now blow walk with them Bible more thing about how now you may sabi ask him all question. So stampa blow lesson I dalemo sem blow give on lo all man blow all is blow sabi good talk blow God you may sabi ask him some question blow all get the answer him. Lo lesson ya by you may learn him fasten blow write them all question where I give on lo all man blow kasim good last thing blow one passage. So hemya you may talk about plenty say purpose blow read him Bible purpose blow make him Bible study hemi blow blow harim thing blow all man lo different topic no be hemi blow man kasim last thing blow passage thing where man way write him passage and me want to you me save lo him. So lesson is start off with him thing I go back lo lesson 6 so I tell him you all something where you may go through let him finish fasten blow ask him all question and me save give on blow think about straight lasting thing next one you must walk him out lasting thing before you may write him all question. So lasting thing come first time after you may ready now blow write him all question. You may have write him all question where answer blow him is stop blow all information. You walk him out want him information you want to ask him question lo him after write him question. Last one you may choose him all information no more way he give hand more block us him good lasting thing. Now take him one information yeah more make him question don't all get that. Alright, fasten blow write him all question blow one passage lo Bible stop all same lo book with them thinking yeah where you may just go through lo him. Now you may ready blow read him one Bible passage. Luke 19 1-10 and Zacchaeus story blow Zacchaeus and me one good one from you may want to pulum ting blow all participant blow only really look one and way stop only know thing about one and only save finish one and only look lo video one and only look lo picture be you may reading good passage blow walk him out lasting thing where look and me want to you save lo him lo book by you look one line and me also one information and just blow give hand more time you go through lo all information and blow cut out information you know, try and write them good lo one man you just read him back again really you read him full passage back again but you go around more ask him one man blow tell him out one information where stop okay step 2 and me blow check him all information where you may look finish. So I got all question where is stop lo big fla calico lo half blow scale him where he check him all information yeah. So me first one you got enough information big fla something where every time you must check him. Well yes he got full up information plenty verse but he good suppose you may think about some story on 2 with them book blow Luke. So you know blow you go through lo him they just blow remind them all get to say no you got big fla picture too where you may should think about but one way stop and me one big fla half little bit so and me alright all information is clear or is not too much one way stop is clear from me talk blow God is clear but might you me want to ask him some question blow clear him thinking blow you me so information is clear but might you know clear good or you may no savvy good so you may have clear him with him some question or you might you look go back or verse way come first time like him all information he give on or he got some talk where Emmy talk about one another for something Now back again, emi Bible. So every talk emi good. He talk about something happen. He look at him some emi all extra information blow make him story he come through. So he got all information where he important he all bun blow story. He got all lot of information too where emi just all extra information. You may not tell him say he no good or you may not should look like him. But him just blow give on blow story he come through. All information is true or no? Yes, of course, every information is true, no more from any talk block or. But alright, go through every point block, check him from you may want everyone is survey all for something, yeah. After I suppose one story nothing or one talk or one something only look, only ready block check him same fashion, yeah. So now you may ready blow think about lasting thing. No forget him. Lasting thing must follow him good all information. You know must outside every information you must support him. More you may must use him. Every information must where you may write him back again every information. But think about one and where he stop more lasting thing he come out of him. So I got one you have show him calico back again. To show him process where you may go through him road where you may follow him block us him straight lasting thing. I got one lasting thing is double place here. But take him time blow one group. You walk him out lasting thing blow him. After you cut him more scale him. Talk way stop down. Him stop blow book blow you no more or trainer no more. The images suppose you may not take him time look savvy one information where look he write him. I think by you may think about no more or something where you may savvy finish. So send me tell him first time. Sakia send me one short for a man or might you may think about no more old picture where you may look finish where Zacchaeus he go on top of one tree. You may think about first one kind tree. But look and me write him full book blow tell him out who ya. So remind them all get back again. Something Hemi tell them out Jesus. So story chapter 19. Hemi one story about Jesus. More walk blahem wall. So you look where lasting thing Hemi tell him. Hemi sing out them or save him Zacchaeus. Follow him walk where God is send him in blow make him. Now you may ready blow go step 4. Blow write him all question. So remind them all get back again from one him you may want to write them question. Say you must write them question every passage. But hemi one road block if lo man time hemi reading passage. But think about good passage. Just blow think about but blow kasem good, savvy good, lasting thing blow passage yeah. So you may choose them all question now whereby give lo man blow kasem good lasting thing blow passage. So fasten where you may go through him lesson 6 with him one game on story. You may follow him back again. So now go back all information where you got plenty Luke 19 we stop book underline him 5 or 6 information where he give on big one you may walk him out lasting thing. So lasting thing is stuff finish. You may talk about Jesus, you may talk about save him, you may talk about Zacchaeus and one man we lose kind of same. So now only must underline him all information where me really so same might you tell him all bundle story. We got example is stuff, one information where me put Zacchaeus and me boss blow all man blow take him takis. So question blow him now Zacchaeus and me man blow make him one him walk. Think about me one something where you must have him. Well, me vle put from where the lasting thing me talk about where Zacchaeus me one man where he lose. Mean say me stop outside more lot time all man block him takis. All man only say no me no one straight man me one man might me one man block stealing money or one different walk. So only Jesus I change manya. Okay, be Olisa I got full of answer thing where he straight. We got some more where he stop down. Zacchaeus and man blow make him want him walk. Okay, me tell him finish. Jesus he look Zacchaeus more he tell him want him lo him. From him in a part blow save him Zacchaeus. From where Zacchaeus he look save Jesus and me plan blow make him want him. So from one of me want to ask him I think he show him out where Jesus and me really save him mania, he changed him mania. Jesus he tell him all same one him lo all get a law house. I think he tell him out tok ya now where you me got him out lasting thing lo him. Zacchaeus he make him one him lo Jesus he save him. You look verse me no tell him be every question too he got verse number he stop lo side lo him. Blo tell him say answer he stop lo verse ya now. So second half blo verse 9 he talk about how now Jesus save him Zacchaeus, Zacchaeus where he make him want something blo Jesus he save him. Last question, Jesus he tell him say him he come blo make him want him. You me him straight part blo lasting thing you me tell him say Jesus he make him follow him walk where him he come from. So he go blo shoma tok blow Jesus back again through law one question. Law in blow page he got 3 question where was him answer blow one question where he stop down. He stop law passage but no really give hand law you me blow thing about lasting thing. He all side information or small something or he all same use look law one picture back again or same all color picture where you me use them. You show him out say he got a small one wood low way or sunny shine or rodeo same or detail where he give on blow make him one nice picture or give on lo thing blow yumi but inside he got all main point or special something where he give on lo yumi blow custom good meaning blow picture or meaning blow story. Now Jesus he go lo one in town more look Zacchaeus. So yes, important blow you me save, but no main point where you me must save lo him. Zacchaeus he climb lo one in kind 3. Body blow Zacchaeus he all same one him. So every information is important. He part blow story, but he got another one where he on top more, he strong more. Blow you me Kasim, blow Kasim straight lasting thing.